Good morning, everyone. Good morning, teacher. My name is Kang, and today my group present the results of our analysis of customer survey data for Trung Coffee. In this presentation, I will walk you through the key findings from our customer feedback, including their preference, satisfaction level, and suggestion for improvement. Thank you for attention, and I look forward to share our finding with you. Let's begin with the first one. Executive summary. This report explores the brand development strategies of Trung Asia, one of the leading coffee enterprise in Vietnam and across Asia. The study aimed to identify key drivers behind the company's success for focusing on brand positioning, innovation capacity, and distinctive corporate culture, utilizing a qualitative research approach that combines document analysis and in-depth interview. The report provides a comprehensive view of Trung Nguyên unique growth model. It also offers generic recommendations to support the company's long-term sustainable development amid intensifying global competition.
Hello, teacher. Um, Let me continue to introduction. With short introduction, Trung Nguyên and its global ambition. It, in the era of global economic integration, Trung Nguyên Coffee has emerged as a prominent Vietnamese brand with a strong aspiration for international expansion. This study explored the company branding strategies, the role of innovation, and its unique Zen Coffee philosophy in establishing competitive edge both domestically and globally. Research problem, objective, and limitation. Despite its notable achievement, Trung Nguyên continues to face several challenges, including limited brand recognition in a major international market, relatively high pricing, and fair competition. The research aims to identify the key driver of brand success, set current obstacles, and provide strategic recommendations for sustained growth in the future.
Hello, teacher. My name is Yong and today I will talk about literature review. First of all, theoretical framework. This study is based on basic concepts in consumer behavior and brand loyalty. It looks at how customers make decisions when choosing a coffee brand, especially how they evaluate product quality, pricing, brand image, and overall experience. These factors are important in understanding why people chose Chung Wing over all the options. The research also refer to the idea of brand loyalty, would have explained how a positive experience can lead to long-term customer relationship. By applying this concept, the study aimed to better understand how Chung Wing connect with its customer and maintain their trust in a competitive market. And next, a next review of related study. Previous study on Chungwing have mostly explored how the brand view its image Among Vietnamese customers, many highlight the combined use of cultural messaging such as coffee for the mind concept to create a distinct identify. Some research also examines Trung Nguyên international expansion and compare it with major brands like Starbucks. In addition, a field study focus on customer loyalty, ticketing, and that brand attainment is often influenced by perceived quality and national pride. The next is gap in the literature. Although there is growing interest in Chungwing as a case study, much as the exciting research remain focused on branding and marketing narrative. They limited analysis of actual customer behavior so that the reason behind repeat purchase, price sensitivity, or comparison with the comparing coffee brand in terms of customer experience. Moreover, feedback from international customers has not been explored in depth. This study aims to address the gap by providing a more customer focused perspective. Next, four is research methodology, research approach, and data collection. This study adopts a quantitative approach using an online survey via Google Form to gather insight into customer opinion on product quality, pricing, and brand loyalty toward Chungwing Coffee. The survey were distributed through social media and messaging platforms, enabling broad access to a diverse group and participant efficiently and effectively. Data analysis and ethical consideration. The data were analyzed using descriptive static with frequencies and percentages used to identify customer behavior change. Participants were informed of the voluntary nature of the survey and assured of data confidentiality. No personal information will be disclosed or shared with a third party, ensuring transparency and ethical integrity throughout the research process.
Hello everyone and teacher. My name is Vin. Today I will talk about uh, finding and analysis. A presentation of result data collected from 50 participants reveals the following insight. Personal information. Approximately 65% of respondents rated their trust in data privacy at a 4 or 5 out of 5, indicating a strong sense of confidence in how their personal information is handled. Habit and frequency, about 45% selected neutral, score of 3 out of 5, suggesting that regular use of Chungwing coffee product has not yet become a consistent habit for many customers. Right, rarely the city price rising at 1 or 2 out of 5, uh, implying that trust remains a significant concern for certain customer segments. Service quality, notable 75% give a high score of by highlighting service quality as one of Chungwing's strongest assets. Loyalty and succession around 60% across a score of 4 or 5, indicating overall satisfaction and willingness to recommend the brand to others. It's a interpretation of finding the high level of trust among respondents suggests that the organization is effectively addressing customer data, contributing to a sense of security and reliability. Habits and frequency. Most customers tend to use the service only when they have specific needs, indicating that there is currently uh, insufficient motivation for regular or habitual use. Price. Some customers perceive a mismatch between the product cost and the value it delivers, which may explain the lower rating in this area. Service quality. The consistently high score reflects that the organization meets customers' expectations in terms of professionalism and service efficiency, loyalty, and succession. Excellent service quality appears to be a primary driver behind customer loyalty, encouraging long-term engagement with the brand. There's a discussion in relation to literature personal information. The finding align with the broader customer trends, showing that transpa- transpa- transparency in data collection plays a crucial role in building customer trust, habits, and frequency. The lack of habitual use suggests that customers tend to prioritize uh, immediate needs over forming long-term engagement with the brand. Prior sensitivity remain a common challenge, especially when customers weigh the perceived value against the actual cost of the product or service. Service quality. The reason further support the idea that service quality is a critical factor in fostering and sustaining customer loyalty. Individual conclusion and recommendation. Summary and key takeaways. Strength Penguin Coffee earned high marks for its exceptional service quality and strong customer loyalty, indicating a solid brand foundation and certainly consumer trust. Chinese questions about pricing and irregular patterns. You suggest the need for improved pricing strategy and initiative to uh, foster habitual engagement. Strategic recommendation and future insight to tackle this challenge. We can adopt flexible pricing scheme, uh, seasonal promotion, and customer loyalty programs, strengthening communication about data protection. We want to reinforce customer trust. Future research should delve deeper enterprise and GDPD law way to convert occasional user into regular customers and assess how technology like AI can personalize the experience and boost satisfaction. Thank you for listening.